Just 100 meters between your door and mine. Two small houses, one silent sign. Every morning the road would glow. When you walked past, the world moved slow. I stood waiting at my gate, pretending calm but tempting fate. You never knew, or maybe you did, how much my heart in that moment lived. No words spoken, no hands to hold, just stolen glances, shy and bold. We were close, but never near, living dreams we couldn't clear. We were almost a story never told, almost a fire but never bold. You walked your way, I stayed in mine. Two parallel hearts, same old time. Now you're someone's forever name, and I'm wearing a different ring, the same. But somewhere between then and now, we still look for each other somehow. Days kept moving, seasons changed, smiles remained, but life rearranged. Your wedding bells rang far too soon. Mine followed under a different moon. No goodbye, no last embrace, just empty roads, a missing face. That 100 meters feels so wide, like an ocean we never tried. We did what life asked us to do, played our parts, stayed strong and true. But the heart remembers every scene of what was felt, not what was seen. We were almost a story never told, almost a fire but never bold. You walked your way, I stayed in mine. Two parallel hearts, same old time. Now you're someone's forever name, and I'm wearing a different ring, the same. But somewhere between then and now, we still look for each other somehow. Fate was kinder, just once more. If courage knocked on that old door, maybe love would have found its way. In those quiet moments we let slip away, no regrets, no blame to give. We chose the lives we had to live still. When the road feels empty and long, your memory hums like a forgotten song. We were a story written in air, felt so real but never born. Not lovers, not strangers too, just hearts that knew what they knew. If someday our eyes should meet on some old road, some quiet street, no words needed, just a smile to show we never stopped. We just let go. Just 100 meters, still the same. Different lives, but one old name.